Hello everyone, welcome back to another live. We've got a super cute little haul today from Free People, and then I have a few sale pieces that just went on 40% off to show you as well. So I'm super excited to get into it. If you're new here, before we get started, my name is Nina, and here at Lit, every Tuesday and Thursday, I hop on live to show you guys what we have gotten in new for the week. Our sister count star, Bralette, is down below in the comments, and she will be sending you the names and prices of everything I am showing you as I show it, so that if you see something you like, you can go ahead and take a screenshot of the name and either head to our online store or one of our boutiques to do some shopping. All right, let's start with what I am wearing today. I am loving this outfit. Okay, so this is the Carlotta sweater. This is from Aster. We got this in a couple weeks ago. It is so cute and so soft. I love these little like shoulder, a little structured shoulder in the sweater. I feel like it gives it such a cute and unique look. The sweater is so soft, looks so good with these jeans. These jeans are from Pistola, and they actually just went 40% off as well. They are a part of our fun little winter sale that we're having at the moment. These are so comfortable. They're perfectly true to size. I am loving the fit of these. They're the perfect length. Let me show you. Perfect length, perfect straight leg, and they are just, I feel like they're the perfect wash for winter too. They're like a winter light wash, which is pretty much a medium wash, but it's kind of my preferred wash for the winter season, but not too dark. All right, so that is what I'm wearing today. I just love this outfit. Okay, let's get into the new arrivals for the day. So first up, we have got this gorgeous little Free People bralette. If you guys have ever heard me talk about Free People tank tops and bralettes, you know that I love them. They are so comfortable, they are so supportive, and they're so cute. I love the smocking on the back of this one. It's very like thin smocking, which is nice because it has the stretch. Like, look how it's so stretchy, but it doesn't have the bulk, so it is definitely a good true bralette for layering. Super nice. And the lace on the front is so pretty. There's kind of like this mesh lining inside the lace, so it's very soft and comfortable, and then it is lined with this super soft cotton fabric as well. So very comfortable, and the color is very wintry too. It's like a nice little cranberry color. So cute. Love it. And then next up, we've got this gorgeous little knit. It's kind of, I was going to say crochet, but it's kind of a cross between a crochet and a knit. It's so cute. This is kind of like, I feel like the first of our resort season. We're going to have a ton of fun resort pieces coming soon, and this is sort of our first foray into it for the season because it is a little bit more of a beachy vibe, but still a knit, so I really like that. So look at the sleeve. We got this beautiful like billowy bat sleeve, which I absolutely love. So cute, and it's very fitted through the top, so it definitely lies really well, but then when you move, you see that beautiful kind of flowy sleeve, which I love. So then we have this drawstring moment on the front, so you can actually tighten this and shorten it. If you want it to be a little bit more cropped, so you can fully like tighten it cinch it all the way, so you actually have more like a cover-up style knit, or you can wear it longer, so you have a full flowy knit. So you have a lot of options with the fit of this one. The color is really nice too. It's almost this like champagne-y pink color. Super cute. Love this piece. All right, so that is all we have for today's new arrivals, but don't go anywhere. I have some sale pieces that are my absolute favorite pieces that we've gotten in a while, and they're now 40% off, so I want to show you guys. First up, we've got this gorgeous Aster dress, the Anamaria dress. This is such a beautiful piece. So this one is originally $148, now it's 40% off. This is the perfect dress for all of your winter and Christmas events. Like if you have kind of more of a dress up event or like a winter wedding, I feel like this is such the perfect dress. These cutouts are very subtle when you're wearing it, and with the way the fabric is draped, it does have really good coverage and look really beautiful on. Definitely not too much skin for a winter wedding. This is such a stunning piece. The flow of the skirt is so beautiful and so well constructed, and now it's 40% off. So great deal on this beautiful Aster dress, and it's just so stunning on. It's absolutely beautiful. Such a flattering piece. I love it. All right, next up, we have this gorgeous little slip dress from Free People. I absolutely love this dress because, first of all, I love a satiny slip dress. It's so stunning with the beautiful cowl neckline, absolutely gorgeous, and a little bit of a lower back. But I love this dress because it has the cinching on the side with little drawstring, so you can actually change the length of this all the way between a midi and a mini. So when you have it cinched up like this, it's definitely more of a mini dress fit, which is super cute, and the proportions of the like cinching just sit really well and beautifully and give you some nice curves. And then when you have it totally undone, it's a gorgeous midi or maxi dress depending on your height, and it just is such a good versatile piece. The color is so nice and wintry and so versatile. I love the idea of this little slip dress, worn with like a big chunky net and some boots. That is one of my favorite winter outfits, so definitely a gorgeous, gorgeous little piece. All right, next up, we've got these cool, I love these pants. Whoop, hello. These are Good American faux leather pants, and it's a beautiful key lime color. These are such a fun pant, and they are now 40% off as well. These are the Better Than Leather Good Icon in key lime. They're originally $175, and now they're 40% off, so that is a phenomenal deal. These are such a good fit. If you guys have ever tried on the Good American leather pants or any Good American pants, they fit so unbelievably well. So flattering. I love the color on these as well because it is still a cool toned color, so it still works for the winter, but I love kind of a brighter pop of color for winter fashion just to keep things lively and bright when it is so dark and cold outside. And these are very, very warm and comfortable. The lining on these is so soft. Such a beautiful piece, and 40% off. Love it. All right, and the final piece I want to show you guys, these are one of my favorite pieces as well. Another leather pant. These are the Kourtney vegan leather pants. They've got a gorgeous little flare leg. Let me show you. So they have these little snaps up the side of the leg, so you can actually wear them undone for like more of a dramatic like kick flare split side moment, or when you wear them buttoned, they do still have a flare that's super gorgeous, works so well with boots or any shoe really, but you can fit like a higher boot underneath it. These are such a gorgeous piece. They're so flattering. They are like seamless on the top. There's no zipper, so it's truly like a legging when you pull it on. The inside is soft like a legging as well. These are called technically a legging, but because they're flared, because they're leather, they do have the like visual effect of a leather pant. These are originally $92 and they're 40% off, so an amazing deal on these, and they're so gorgeous, so flattering, and they work like through every season. Truly, these just don't go out of style. They look so good on a gorgeous piece. All right, that is all I have to show you guys today. Remember, we are having a ton of new pieces in our 40% off sale, so make sure to shop online or in our stores to see the selection that we have going for that discount. We have the holidays coming up. We have a ton of cute little gifts in the stores as well. So make sure to come and visit us to do some shopping. And I will see you guys next week. Have a fabulous rest of your day.